Okay, so you just bought your new GoPro 9, 10, 11, and 12 to future-proof this video, and you're looking for the best accessories. Well, you clicked on the right video, because that's exactly what we're going to be looking at in this video. Okay, so before I jump into my top 5 GoPro accessories, you are gonna need an SD card, and I would highly recommend screen protectors, so just to get that out of the way. So the first accessory that I would pick up is the GoPro Remote. Now, this could be not needed for some people, but I think it's super handy being able to control your GoPro from your little remote, and in case you put it somewhere out far away, or you're recording soccer, you just wanna hit the button to start it, the button to stop it. So I think this is a pretty cool accessory and one that I would definitely pick up as soon as I got my GoPro. You can also get some off-brand ones from Tesla and a couple other brands, which I will link in the description below. Next up are ND filters. These are from K&N Concepts, and these are by far the best ND filters that I have tested on my GoPro. I've only tested a couple other brands, but these just feel super high quality. They have a CPL filter as well, which is super cool, and I would highly recommend them. And they also add a nice look to your GoPro. Super cool, and another thing I would definitely buy. The third thing I would buy is a chest mount. I think that the chest mount is super cool. I really use it a lot, and I think that for like action sports, it's really necessary. And again, reason why it made it on my top 5 best GoPro accessories. Now, before we get to the last 2 most important accessories, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, it really helps out me. I post a video about tech every single day, and I would love to have you join the JM Tech community. Now, on to the 2 most important accessories. And the first one is batteries. You are gonna need some batteries for your GoPro. This battery bank from Tesla comes with 2 batteries, so now you'll have 3 for your GoPro. Charges them up, shows you the status of the batteries, and if you need to charge your phone, you can charge your phone from it. Super cool. I would highly recommend getting one of these. And this is one of the accessories that I just use every single day with my GoPros. And finally, the last accessory, the one that I think is the most critical to having a GoPro, and that's a selfie stick. And this one, the 3-way 2.0, is super nice because it doubles up as a tripod, a selfie stick, and you can customize the size of it. I absolutely love it. And it's super easy to extend and get a nice selfie shot, then to bring it back in and pull out the feet to, you know, get a nice small little tripod. It's just so flexible, and you can use it for almost anything that you're doing. However, if you are trying to decide to get the GoPro Hero 11 or the Insta360 X3, that video's here, and I will see you there.